In today's video, I'm going to teach you building a quote book in Obsidian. We'll set up a simple system to capture quotes from books, talks, or your own notes, and then surface them in a searchable, dynamic master page you can review anytime. First, let's make capturing quotes effortless. In Settings, enable the templates core plugin, then create a file called templates/quote.md. In that template, add 3 lines, a speech bubble emoji followed by your quote in quotation marks, a line with a long dash and the author wrapped in double square brackets to create a link, and a third line that says source, followed by the source in double square brackets, then the tag #quote. This gives every quote a consistent structure, links authors and sources for context, and tags them for retrieval. Whenever you want to add a quote, open the command palette with Command or Control+P and run template or colon. Create new note from template. If you prefer inline capture while journaling, drop a line in your daily note like this. Dash, speech bubble, your quote in quotes, a long dash, the author in double square brackets, and the tag #quote. Next, build your master quote book. Create a note called quotebook.md. If you want to stick with core features, add a heading like all quotes, and beneath it insert a search block that simply queries tag:#quote. That live search will collect every quote you've tagged. If you use data view from community plugins, you can show a table instead. Add a query that says table author, source from #quote, sort file.ctim descending to narrow by author, use from #quote, and contains parenthesis author, author name parenthesis. To enhance the experience, try the Query Control plugin installed via the Brat plugin, which adds interactive filters right in your quote book. For cleaner visuals, add a CSS snippet that sets the margin left of block quotes inside search results to 0, then enable it under Appearance CSS snippets. And if you want one command capture, Quick Add can chain template insertion and metadata prompts into a single action. For organization, consider a quotes folder with subnotes per author. In your quote book, add map of content links like double square bracket, author quotes, double square bracket, and place author-specific queries in those sections. For review, you can embed a random quote in your daily note by having a small template or script pull a line from a daily quote text file. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.